MDA2 spokesperson Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh has asserted that both the NPP and MDA government are dedicated to see the progression of the peace talks between Hnlc and the state and central government. Speaking to media persons, Lyngdoh, while acknowledging disclosures and misunderstandings which have cropped up in the peace talks, said that the matter of withdrawal by the Hnlc from the peace talks is under the purview of the Home Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister.
But I assure you that we as a party and we as a government are committed towards the progression of peace talks with this particular band outfit, and we would like to see that there should be an amicable understanding for long-term peace talks. I will not be able to disclose much on this matter because I am yet to be advised accordingly.
The state government